Hi, welcome to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to save any Canva design as a PDF file on your mobile app. First things first, open the Canva mobile app and access your project. If you need to edit any text, just click on the text box and make any changes. You can resize it or move it to any place you want, and Canva will automatically adjust the other element of your design accordingly. So go ahead and play around with your design. Feel free to make any changes you want, big or small. And the best part, you don't need to be a design expert to make these changes. Canva's user-friendly interface makes it easy for anyone to create and edit stunning designs, no matter what skill level they have. Once you're happy with your design, look at the download button located at the top right corner of the screen. It's a small arrow upward. Now, here comes the fun part. When you tap on the download button, a menu will appear and you'll see the available file formats that you can choose from. You can select PDF print if you want to print it out, or PDF standard for document sharing. If you want to make sure that your PDF document looks exactly like your original design, you can tap the flatten button before downloading it. This will merge all the design elements into one layer. Finally, hit the download button and Canva will start the process. Once it's finished, you can find the PDF file in your device downloads folder or the location you selected to save it in. And that's it. You now know how to save your Canva design as a PDF file on your mobile app. Whether you want to print it out or share it online, creating a PDF document has never been easier. Thank you for watching and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.